Nadi astrology. Okay, we'll take the same chart which we took for Ashtakvar. We will predict through Nadi. We have so far learned how to connect the planets by 159, 3711, which is opposition, 2610, which is future, 4812, which is the past. Okay. Today, what we will do is we will take the transit into account. Transit. One 159 is one set of combination. 159. 3711 is opposition. 2610 is future. Houses यार, क्या हो गया तुम लोग को? शू થઈ ગયું? हाउस ही होता है रे बाबा ये. 4812 is past.
सर वो चीज अभी भी क्लियर नहीं है. What is the order when you go retro and what is when it is?
अरे हम कमिंग टू रेट्रो में we have already said we'll go backward. वो आ गए, बाद में जाएगा ना, अभी टाइम है उसके लिए. किया है हम लोग ने. अच्छा, ट्राइन एम्प्टी है तो ठीक है, अभी इसमें करेगा. ठीक है, विल डू. इसमें है, इसमें एम्प्टी है, इसमें एम्प्टी है. अरे सेम है वो 159 सेम हाउस वाइज तो सेम आएगा ना, तो सेम आएगा ना. अरे जहां से भी है एक प्लैनेट से, वहां से 159 विल बी हाउस ओनली नो, एंड साइन आल्सो विल बी सेम ओनली नो. In this case, where is Jupiter? Is in? We'll clarify her doubt. Jupiter is in Leo. Okay, so 159 will be what? If you go, Jupiter is retrograde. Listen to me, Jupiter is retrograde. Okay, is any planet connected with 159 in this? Without taking degree, Rahu is connected. Rahu is connected. Correct? Am I clear? हाँ? एक मिनट, जुपिटर एक मिनट. कैंसर में नहीं, कैंसर में हो तो फिर चेंज होएगा ना. एब्सोल्युटली. हाँ, कंफ्यूजन क्यों है? I don't know why there is a confusion. We are talking 159 as a house. Sign nahi, house. From wherever planet is there, 159 is the conjunction. 3711 is the opposition. 2610 is semi-sextile. Future. 4812 is also semi-sextile, but past. क्या क्लैरिटी है कि नहीं? अरे फॉर दैट मैटर एनी प्लैनेट यार, मैडम, एनी प्लैनेट wherever it is there, that will be treated as an ascendant. No. अरे वही ना, अभी मार्स का प्रेडिक्ट करना है तो मार्स को लग्न करके लिख जाएगा ना. मार्स का प्रॉपर्टी के बारे में समझना है, सिबलिंग्स के बारे में जो है, मार्स विल टेक एज दी. एब्सोल्युटली ना. नाड़ी डज नॉट हैव एसेंडेंट. अरे यार, जुपिटर जब ही लेगा तो एसेंडेंट आएगा. इफ इट इज अ फीमेल, मेल. इफ इट इज अ फीमेल, वीनस विल बी द एसेंडेंट. मगर मार्स में लेगा तो प्रॉपर्टी का लेगा तो वो भी एसेंडेंट ही होएगा ना. Only thing, the matter differs. No, there it is the native, here it is the property. The matter differs. Treat that as ascendant. If you want to, correct. If you want to know about the property, Mars को ले लो, Mars is the ascendant. वहां से 159 ले लो. If you want to know about the mother, Take moon as ascendant, take 159 from there, 3, 7, 11 from there, 2, 6, 10 from there, 4, 8, 12 from there. Correct? No. There is no confusion here. Okay. Now, what we will do is how a transit planet will impact a planet. That planet, natal planet को कैसा impact करेगा? You have to understand one thing. Okay. If a planet is connected with a natal planet, only when that planet comes into contact with the natal planet, only then the event will come. For example, I will add one more today, a factor which is Nakshatra Lord. Okay. Now we will take Jupiter because he is a male. This native is a male. Okay. Now Jupiter, if I take, it is retrograde. It is retrograde. Without taking the degree, Jupiter and Rahu are connected. Jupiter and Rahu are connected. And Jupiter is in the nakshatra of Ketu. Correct? So whenever in transit, Ketu comes over the Jupiter, or Ketu comes over the trine to the Jupiter, Jupiter will get impacted. Yeah, I'm coming to that. So currently, say two things you have to take. One is, which are the planets in trines? In this case, Jupiter is in trine to Rahu. I am not taking any degree. Okay, now I am not taking degree. We will take the degree in the future for sure. There is no doubt. But when you take without the degree, Jupiter ka trine mein, Jupiter is in the sign Leo. Jupiter is in the sign Leo, and the trinal houses, or for that matter signs, okay, it is one and the same in Nadi, because trinal are of the same element. Okay, so Aries mein there is no planet. Aries mein there is no planet. In Sagittarius there is a planet which is Rahu. If I take all the three houses into account, or for that matter all the three signs into account, that is Leo, Aries and Sagittarius, I will get the combination as Jupiter Rahu. Correct? Additionally, if you want to apply degree also, in this case Jupiter is retrograde, it will go behind. Correct? So Jupiter is anyway connected with Rahu. Correct? No? In the natal chart, because Rahu is at 9.52 degrees. So Jupiter is at 11.44 degrees. Okay, Jupiter is connected with Rahu. Then I am introducing a nakshatra now. You also have to see, this is nakshatra nadi. Nakshatra Lord, whenever that comes into contact with that planet, the result will be given in transit. Okay. Now Jupiter is in Magha Nakshatra. So Ketu is just come there. Is going to come approach there. Okay. But Jupiter, that Ketu, transit Ketu is still in the Purva Falguni Nakshatra only. It is still not come to the Ketu's Nakshatra. Okay. So the impact of Ketu on Jupiter will be intense when transit Ketu comes in the Magha Nakshatra, and when it comes, it will impact a natal Rahu, because natal Rahu is in Magha Nakshatra. Natal Jupiter is in Magha Nakshatra. Rahu is also in Ketu. (159) is different now. We'll see later. Okay, so natal Jupiter is in Magha Nakshatra. So when that means Jupiter and Ketu are connected because Ketu is the nakshatra lord of Magha. When transit Ketu comes to the nakshatra of Magha, Jupiter will get impacted. Am I clear so far? There is no doubt. Okay. Now Jupiter is connected with Rahu also because it is in trine. Okay. Now in this case, since Ketu is going to approach Jupiter, now for the effect to be given, the transit planet should get connected natal in the natal chart, and that effect will be given only when the transit planet comes into contact with the natal chart, natal planet. Kaisa bhi, conjunction also, opposition also. Yes. 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 So in this case, what we have done, what we do usually with the connection of planet, we have first found out which planet is connected with what in the natal chart. Then we will see which planets are coming into contact with the natal chart. Okay. But when that contact, when you are seeing, that planet should be connected in the natal chart to give the result. Now had any other planet, now in this case Jupiter is in opposition to Mars. Are you seeing that? Okay. Abhi degree mat dalo. Okay. Mars is aspecting Jupiter. Now in this case, if you take Jupiter as the ascendant, because we are not taking the ascendant even now for the prediction, we are only taking Jupiter as the ascendant here because it is a male, he is a male. Okay. So Jupiter is lord of the 5th and the 10th house. Jupiter, if you take retrograde, because Jupiter is retro, then I will move the Jupiter reverse way. Reverse way. So it is 5th lord and the 10th lord, Mars. Am I correct? Jupiter is retrograde in the sign Leo. Mars is in opposition to Jupiter. Okay. If you take Jupiter as the ascendant, because we are not taking the usual Lagna here, because we are going to take Jupiter as the Lagna. So if you take Jupiter as the Lagna and Jupiter is retrograde, then Mars will be on the reverse. If you take Mars will be lord of the 5th house and lord of the 10th house.
Cancer is the ascendant.
नहीं normally ना in this chart यार, in this chart Jupiter को ascendant बनाया. Why are you getting into Cancer? I am not taking one house before. No, my Jupiter का ascendant पकड़ा. Wait. अरे wait यार, simple. I never said Cancer. I only said take Jupiter as the ascendant. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. एक मिनट, I will. एक मिनट. Jupiter is in Leo. 1 minute यार. Jupiter is in Leo. Okay. If you take reverse, Cancer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5th house from Leo is what? I am telling you reverse, no? Retro है करके. શું થઈ ગયું? I've never said shifted to Cancer. No. Jupiter અહીંયા retro છે. Jupiter एक मिनट. रिवर्स में जाओ ना तो 5th and the 10th lord, no? क्या रे तुम लोग इतना कंफ्यूजन क्यों कर रहा है? सिंपल है यार. जुपिटर, मैं कुछ भी नहीं कर रहा हूं, जुपिटर को लियो में ही रख रहा हूं मैं. लियो में रहेगा, रिवर्स जाएगा तो मार्स इज लॉर्ड ऑफ फिफ्थ हाउस, नो? हाँ, करेक्ट नो? So Mars is aspecting Jupiter.
Correct.
So Jupiter is connected with Mars. So the result what Jupiter will get will depend upon as and when Mars will come in contact with Jupiter. Whether it is by conjunction, whether it is by trine, whether it is by opposition. Here, since it is there in the 7th house from Jupiter, the effect of Mars will be more intense when it comes on the 7th house from Jupiter. Yeah, basically over natal Mars. Okay. Even otherwise, if Mars comes on the sign Leo, that is over the Jupiter, then also Jupiter will get the results of Mars. Clear? Okay. So which are the planets impacting Jupiter? If you see connection wise, we have seen which are the type of connections of planet. See, connections wise, we have seen one is the aspect 159. Okay, 159. Okay. Second is the opposition, we have seen. Correct? And the third is exchange of signs, we have seen. Okay. And the fourth is, you can even take Nakshatra Parivartan also will come, which I am introducing now. We'll come to that now. We'll come to that. बट अभी जुपिटर को खाली मैं ले रहा हूं, जुपिटर को मार्स ले रहा हूं. ओके, जुपिटर को मार्स इज इंपैक्टिंग, राइट? नाउ व्हेनेवर any planet is connected to the natal chart, same planet when it comes on transit over that particular planet, the effect will be given. Okay. Now Ketu has already come there in the sign Leo. It will even come after 12th March. It will come on the in the nakshatra of Ketu. Okay. So it has to impact. It has to impact. No, Jupiter को impact करना ही पड़ेगा. Okay. Then Mars also. Mars also. If you see from Jupiter से reverse जाएगा तो Mars is anyway by opposition connect है ना. So even if it comes in the 8th house from Jupiter retro again, I am seeing that is in the Capricorn आएगा तो भी Mars will impact Jupiter. No. Why? Because 2 दृष्टि तो 8th aspect तो है ही, but even by the Nadi aspect also 2, 6, 10 तो आएगा ही ना, बराबर ना. जुपिटर से सेकंड हाउस का आएगा तो उधर सेकंड हाउस को ऑपोजिशन में आएगा कि नहीं? कैप्रिकॉन में आएगा तो, कैप्रिकॉन में आएगा तो 8 जाएगा, जुपिटर से 8 जाएगा, बट वहां से सेकंड हाउस दैट इज फ्रॉम कैंसर से अपोजिशन में आएगा कि नहीं? आएगा ना. जुपिटर से 8 आएगा, 8 रिवर्स, रिवर्स. ओके. Even by the normal aspect also, Jupiter, Mars will aspect Jupiter. इधर ऊपर से गया इधर. See, listen, hold on. Pay attention. Which are the houses for Jupiter second house? I'll go step by step. Jupiter का second house कौन कौन है? Second का combinations. Tell me the signs. अरे सेकंड यार, Second. Tell me the Cancer. Cancer,
वही तो
Pisces. Cancer, Pisces and Scorpio is 2, 6, 10 for Jupiter because I am taking reverse. Correct? Which is the opposition for Jupiter, for Cancer? Tell me every sign, yo. Taurus, Capricorn and
वर्गो
Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo. अरे सेकंड हाउस के लिए अपोजिशन नो. बराबर. अभी यहां पर जुपिटर को इंपैक्ट करेगा, ये मार्स करेगा, केतु करेगा और राहु भी करेगा. क्यों राहु करेगा? क्योंकि राहु ट्राइन में तो है ही. राहु ट्राइन में तो है ना, तो सामने से तो जाएगा ना. अभी केतु का नक्षत्र में है तो सामने से राहु जाएगा ही ना. जब भी केतु आएगा तो सामने से राहु आएगा ही ना. इवन अदरवाइज. बराबर. ऑपोजिट जाएगा. ओके,
सही बात.
so Jupiter is a jiva karak for this person, so it has to impact him. Okay. Okay. Now if you take the dasha now, okay, dasha, Rahu is a dasha. Now we'll mix the dasha now. Okay, Rahu dasha is going on for this person from July 2008 and it will be there till July 2026. Okay, we are already in 2026, so this person will finish off the Rahu Dasha and he will be in the Antardasha of, he is already in the Antardasha of Mars from 1st July 25 till 20th July 2026. He is in Rahu Mahadasha and Mars Antardasha. Correct? Clear so far? Now, since we are taking the dasha, always give preference to the Antardasha first, because Antardasha is the planet which will throw out the event. Always. Okay? Mars. For that matter, you can go up to any level. And how to connect, I will tell you now. Okay? But first give preference to the Antardasha. No Mars. Okay? Mars, in the natal chart, you have to see with whom it is connected. Mars is in Rahu's nakshatra.
along with Ketu.
And it is in conjunction with the Ketu because it is in trine to Ketu. Wait. Okay. And Mars is in Satbisha nakshatra in Rahu's nakshatra. Okay. Correct? Correct, no? So since he is a male, we'll be taking Jupiter as a Jiva Karak. And from there, we analyzed saying that Mars is Lord of the 5th and the 10th house. Correct? Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
So Rahu has already started afflicting the Mars because Rahu is already in the Satbisha nakshatra. Transit Rahu. Clear? So Mars is afflicted. So the 5th house Lord, 10th house Lord, Mars is afflicted by Rahu. Okay, and we have said two groups of planets, Jupiter group and the Venus group. हाँ, तो जुपिटर में कौन कौन आएगा? सन, मून, मार्स, ओके, केतु, केतु, केतु. No, Mercury will see. Mercury and Moon will depend upon the situation wise. Okay. Now in this case, Mars is in Rahu's nakshatra, so natal में ही Mars is afflicted. So in this case, Rahu and Mars, Rahu dasha, Mars antardasha is going on. Okay. So both dasha and the antardasha is in the Mars itself, in the antardasha में ही covered है ना, covered है ना. तो Mars has to get impacted, right? Correct. Now we have gone to the two levels. Second level, Rahu dasha, Mars antardasha. Now you can selectively go to the dasha, pratyantar also, sukshma also, deha also. Okay, you can. Abhi Rahu is a dasha. See, it is not necessary that only one period dasha can be impacted. It can be either the Mahadasha. Because of Mahadasha getting impacted, there can be an event. Because of Antardasha getting impacted, there can be an event. Because of Pratyantardasha getting impacted, there can be an event. Okay. Now in this case, Rahu is there in the, whose dasha is going on, is there in the Sagittarius, in Mula Nakshatra. Correct? Ketu's Nakshatra. Okay. Now who are aspecting Rahu? Who are aspecting Rahu? Jupiter is connected with Rahu. So when Jupiter is in Gemini now, so Rahu has to get impacted. Correct? आ गया ना, सामने तो आ गया ना. It has come into opposition now. Correct? Right? Now Rahu is retrograde. Rahu is a Mula Nakshatra. So trine mein there is no other planet. Trine mein there is no other planet. Okay, I will not take anything there because Ketu has still not come to afflict that Rahu in the Ketu's Nakshatra. Correct? Jupiter has already started afflicting that. बराबर है कि नहीं? Okay. Now, when it comes to the Pratyantar dasha, it is Mercury's Pratyantar dasha. Correct? हाँ कि नहीं? Which is from 9th January 26 to 4th March 2026. And again, if you take Jupiter as the ascendant, Mercury is Lord of the 3rd and the 12th house. Okay, is sitting in the 6th house. Correct? हाँ कि नहीं? हाँ बोलेगा तो मेरे को फिर इधर आगे बढ़ेगा ना. मैं अभी मेरकुरी यहां पर किसके साथ कनेक्टेड है? वीनस, सन ऑल्सो. चेक. Mercury is retrograde, my dear sir. It is connected with Venus because few degrees, but it is not connected with the sun. But traditionally you can take as Mercury, Venus, Sun. Okay. Okay. Mercury is in which nakshatra? अरे थर्ड लास्ट नहीं, उत्तर भाद्रपदा, सैटर्न का नक्षत्र, सैटर्न का नक्षत्र, बराबर ना. So when Saturn comes in contact with Mercury, will not Mercury get impacted? Correct, no? Which houses will get impacted? The 3rd, 12th and the 6th will get impact. Correct? In this case, Saturn is lord of which house from Jupiter? Because Jupiter is the ascendant, no? 7 और 8, 7 and 8. Retro है, remember that. It is 7th and the 8th, not 6 and 7. समझी गए कि नहीं? नहीं समझो? अरे यार, जुपिटर रेट्रो चेन है, तो रिवर्स में लेके कौन सा आएगा? अरे यार, मैं सीधा कान पर उल्टा पकड़ने को बोलता हूं, कान यार। कैसा आएगा यार? अरे 7-8 आएगा, रिवर्स लेना, रिट्रोग्रेड छे। अरे इतना क्यों है यार? अभी ट्यूबलाइट चलता है। समझ गया? तो फॉर जुपिटर तो ये मेल ये है, तो सैटर्न इज मैलेफिक फॉर हिम, करेक्ट? तो 3rd house, 6th house will get impacted, and the 12th house will get impacted because Mercury is aspecting the 12th house. Okay? तो सैटर्न उधर आया, सैटर्न पाइसेस में आया ना? सैटर्न आएगी ना पाइसेस में? अरे मेरकुरी प्रत्यंतर दशा लॉर्ड किधर है? हाँ वही ना, बराबर ना? 3rd हाउस का लॉर्ड, 12th हाउस का लॉर्ड 6th हाउस में है, तो मेरकुरी सैटर्न के साथ कनेक्टेड है बिकॉज इट इज द सेम नक्षत्र, उत्तर भाद्रपद नक्षत्र। उत्तर भाद्रपद इज बिलोंगिंग टू सैटर्न, तो सैटर्न आ गया तो उधर इफेक्ट देना चाहिए कि नहीं? इफेक्ट किसका देगा? 3 नहीं, दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट। मेरकुरी as a pratyanta dasha has got impacted here now because of transit Saturn. So Mercury in the natal chart is connected with Venus, Sun, and Saturn also because of the nakshatra lord. So Mercury is going to give the result due to nakshatra lord 3, 12, 6, 7 and 8. आयो वापस क्या? एक मिनट यार, एक मिनट। हाँ अभी समझा। रामायण बोल के राम को नहीं सीता, अभी समझा। मैं क्या उधर डाला है वो मैं वो देख रहा हूँ, इधर मैं कुछ अलग नहीं देख रहा हूँ।
सर एक सजेशन है, एग्जाम में चार्ट जुपिटर वीनस रेट्रो मत दे।
हाँ एक काम कर, पेपर तू ही सेट कर, तू ही करेक्ट कर। अच्छा सुनो, तो मेरकुरी बिकॉज ऑफ ट्रांजिट सैटर्न, मेरकुरी हैज टू गिव इंपैक्ट ऑफ, बिकॉज मेरकुरी का प्रत्यंतर दशा चलता है, बराबर ना? तो मेरकुरी हैज टू गिव इंपैक्ट ऑफ 3, 12, 6, 7, 8। ये सब मैलेफिक हाउसेस है कि नहीं? है कि नहीं? नाउ अरविंद ने चार्ट लेके आया, अभी वो बोलता है 1 फरवरी को वो हार्ट अटैक करके मर गया।
बंदे को प्रमोशन मिला, घर के बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं।
बराबर ना? हाँ? अभी तो उधर ही है, 7 डिग्री में। वो 5 डिग्री में था तभी। डालो ना 1 फरवरी को, मैं डालता हूं ना। किधर? अरे हम किधर भागते हैं, हम इधर ही है। 4 डिग्री 4.27 on 1st of February. It was on 4.27. एक मिनट यार, एक मिनट सुनो। ये ऑफिस से वो लोग आएगा। ए सुनो यार, ए सुनो सुनो, होल्ड ऑन। अरे वेट यार, वेट। See, on 1st of February, when this person died due to heart attack, it was the Pratyantar Dasha which was active, because that Mercury is at the birth was in Uttar Bhadrapada Nakshatra, whose lord is Saturn, and from Jupiter it is not the good houses which Mercury and Saturn rules. Mercury is 3rd house ka lord, 12th house ka lord, in the 6th house, connected with Saturn, which is 7th and 8th lord. All are malefic houses. Correct है कि नहीं? बराबर? तो this connection, what I'm saying is, additionally we have learned how to connect nakshatra lord. Okay. Now, on 31st of January 2026 till 5th February 2026, it was Sukshma Dasa of Moon, Rahu, Mars, Mercury, Moon. Correct? Rahu, Mars, Mercury, Moon. Correct? हाँ कि नहीं? Okay. See how the connections will come. Just see. First Feb को Moon was in Cancer at same 10.58 degrees. Birth Moon is at 10.57 degrees. We don't know the time of death. तो 2:30 बजे के आसपास तो यही रहेगा, 2:30 बजे के आसपास ना। 2:30 बजे मेरा ये जो ट्रांजिट है इज एट 14.22 ऑन 1st of February. ए वेट यार, ए लिसन, ए डोंट टॉक ना। अरे पीछे थोड़ा साइलेंस रहो ना। On 1st of February at 2:30, transit Moon was at 11.03 in Cancer. Okay, 11.03 in Cancer. Now you have to see, we saw Mercury as a Pratyantadasha lord is a culprit. We saw that. Okay, let us see whether Sukshma Dasa is also a culprit, because I have said it is not necessary that Dasha will also get impacted, Antardasha will also get impacted, Sukshma Dasha, either of this कौन सा भी impact होगा तो event देगा वो। अभी यहाँ पर Mercury को impact हुआ तो event दिया उसने। अभी यहाँ पर Moon is connected with which are the planets? अरे बट एक मिनट रुकना। अभी मून किसके साथ कनेक्टेड है? सैटर्न के साथ कनेक्टेड है। करेक्ट? करेक्ट नो? नाउ ट्रांजिट सैटर्न। ओके, ट्रांजिट सैटर्न। अभी यहां पर इफ यू टेक द नक्षत्र ऑफ मून and Saturn, both are in Saravana Nakshatra and one is in Rohini Nakshatra. Both are moon's nakshatra. So both are connected. First is, see, the deep connection in astrology is through nakshatra. At times what will happen is it may be in trine, but it may not be in the same nakshatra. Correct. Nakshatra connection is stronger than the trinal connections. Okay, that is a deeper connection. Now in this case, moon is first it is connected as a trine, then it is connected also by the nakshatra lord. So when Saturn came to the sign Pisces, it was in opposition. It was in opposition, no? The moon, natal moon. See, Pisces का, अरे यार, मून का, नेटल मून का ऑपोजिशन हाउसेस कौन है? ऑपोजिशन हाउसेस कौन है? कैंसर, एक मिनट, कैंसर, स्कॉर्पियो, पाइसेस, नो? तो सैटर्न इज इन विच साइन नाउ? पाइसेस. तेरा दिमाग दूसरा किधर जाएगा तो इधर आएगा ही नहीं इधर दिमाग. अभी ये जो सैटर्न है, सैटर्न का अभी एडिशनली थर्ड एस्पेक्ट भी आ गया ना उधर, आ गया ना, तो नेटल पे भी कनेक्टेड है, ट्रांजिट में भी कनेक्ट हो गया, देखिए नहीं. तो द कल्प्रिट इज सूक्ष्म दशा, दशा और अंतरदशा तो है, अंतरदशा तो है ही, अंतरदशा भी कल्प्रिट है, प्रत्यंतर दशा भी कल्प्रिट है, सूक्ष्म दशा भी कल्प्रिट है. बिना इवेंट भी मेरे को बताओ करेगा, तुम्हारा इसमें आएगा, तुम करो ना. हाँ, see, in this case, is moon a benefic moon or a malefic moon? You tell me that first. How do you define a moon is benefic or malefic? No यार, 72 degrees away from moon, sun. तो 1 मिनट 23 डिग्री में सन है ना, तो 7 डिग्री स्पाइसेस आ गया, 30 डिग्री इधर, 37, ओके, 37 plus 10, 47, so it is within 72 degrees, so it's a malefic moon.
Sir, also it is.
और वो moon second house में is not a good moon.
I also came through that came through.
It's not a good moon. नहीं, came through में नहीं है यहाँ पर. नहीं, came through नहीं है. Mars aspect, my dear, Mars is aspecting moon, so there is no came through. Mars is aspecting moon, there is no came through. समझा? There is no came through, forget about it. So it's not a benefic moon for him. ये जो मून सेकंड हाउस में बैठ के फोर्थ हाउस का लॉर्ड है, ओके, नहीं, ये जुपिटर से लेगा तो सेकंड हाउस का लॉर्ड है, फोर्थ हाउस में बैठा है, 10th हाउस को देखता है, बराबर है ना? तो 2, 4, 10, correct? Okay. So in this case, in Jupiter का इसमें इसको I would say for him this moon is not a good planet which is aspecting the 10th house. So there will not be any moon whenever it is aspecting any house. There will be no stability. There will be no stability. Why? Because moon changes its phase every day. Okay, especially when moon is does not have a paksha bal. That means it is within the 72 degrees of sun. Got it? So additionally, what we have learned today is to apply the nakshatra and apply to the dasha, antar, pratyantar, sukshma. You can also apply in your chart. See, the challenge is, or what you should do is, in your chart, you should only find out कौन सा प्लैनेट किसको कनेक्टेड है. ट्रांजिट में कभी भी वो प्लैनेट आएगा, वो जो कनेक्शन है ना, वो कनेक्शन अच्छा प्लैनेट है क्या देखने का. अच्छा प्लैनेट है तो यू विल गिव ए गुड रिजल्ट. अभी इन दिस केस सैटर्न इज नॉट अ गुड प्लैनेट फॉर दिस पर्सन फ्रॉम जुपिटर इज ascendant. So Saturn's transit in the sign Pisces is not at all going to be good. ऐसा कुछ नहीं. अभी हम लोग नाड़ी के कंसेप्ट से खाली जुपिटर लिया है. आएगा वो नेक्स्ट टाइम असेंडेंट लाके करेगा. जब भी व्हेन वी डू असेंडेंट, वो हम लोग ने अष्टक वर्ग में, माय डियर, अष्टक वर्ग में हम लोग ऑलरेडी देखा. मार्स इज बाधक, 8th लॉर्ड बाधक स्थान, 8th लॉर्ड इन द बाधक स्थान, वो देख लिया हम लोग ने उधर अष्टक वर्ग में.
सर नेक्स्ट टाइम प्लीज पॉजिटिव, किसी का बच्चा
तो मेरे को ना तू लेके आ. चलो बंद करेगा.